This is my story. It is very hard to say, but I'm saying now. People make bad mistakes in their life, and I try to fix my mistakes and do the right thing like everybody else in this world. Want better things in life. Nice houses, beautiful wives, fancy cars, everything. You know, the American dream. But being younger and going through heartaches and bad times and drugs and alcohol, losing everything, trying to start all over, worried about a place to live. A long time ago, I was happy. Had a family, wife and kids, just like everybody else in this world. Being happy with somebody I love. Then it all just went away. I haven't seen my kids in over 6 years. That is the only thing that ever mattered to me. It's my little boy. There's a picture of him right there. He's the only thing that ever mattered to me in my life. Waking up in the morning time, seeing his little precious arms come up to me and says, "Daddy, I love you." Both my kids, I love more than anything. My wife, she just took off for somebody else and left me to survive in this awful, awful state. Then my mom, she walks across the street with a bag of groceries in her hand. After she walked across the street, our car came and killed her. And the people in the car didn't care. They didn't have a heart or soul. They only care about themselves. This is why I hate it here. I'm trying so hard to survive. Then I met somebody I really care about a lot, but I will never be with her because she lives in a freaking another country. I don't have money. I don't have anything. I'm not like other people on here that brag about nice fancy cars, place to live, and all those things. I'm here to tell you about the real life. Life is terrible. No wonder why people commit suicide. Because they can't deal with it. People hate each other. There's no love in the world. When you care about something or somebody, there's no love. I met a girl, another girl that I really care about too, but all she cares about is herself. She wants everything in the world, and I'm not the person to give it to her. Sometimes she calls you up and she's like really happy, and then sometimes she doesn't call at all unless you give her something. I just want something good to happen to me in my life. I just want it to be better, but that will never happen. No matter how much I try and struggle to survive here in this terrible state, that will never happen. I will never find happiness again until I die.